Good day to my future employer. I am Jorilyn Montilla, 44 years old, married from the Philippines. I am undergraduate. I have 4 daughters and 1 son. This is my first time applying for domestic helper, but I have 6 years experience here in Philippines to serve 4 members of family, 2 elderly, 1 6 months old and 3 years old kids. I'm kind, honest, responsible, respectful, and hardworking. I cannot work without supervision. I love kids and pets. And also, I love cleaning, washing clothes, cooking, and marketing. To my future employer, please hire me as in helper. I promise I will give to do my best on duties as responsibilities, and I will serve you as on my family. Thank you.